Today, I'll show you how to cook Japanese short grain rice in a pot on the stove. Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. Being able to make perfectly cooked rice is an important skill in Japanese cooking. I'll show you a few tips for cooking rice properly. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using 3 rice cooker cups or 2 1/4 cups of rice. Overfill a rice cooker cup and level it off for proper measurement. To rinse rice, add just enough water to submerge all the rice, then discard the water immediately. Rice absorbs water very quickly when you start rinsing, so this step helps remove impurities from the rice. It prevents the rice from absorbing the first few runs of milky water. Use your fingers to gently agitate the wet rice grains in a circular motion for 10 to 15 seconds. Add water and immediately discard the cloudy water. Repeat washing and rinsing the rice until the water is almost clear. Use a sieve and drain the rice. Shake off any excess water. Add the well-drained rice in a heavy bottom pot. For 3 rice cooker cups, add 2 1/2 cups or 600 ml water. Level the rice with your fingers so that it's evenly submerged in the water. Let the rice soak for 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. Cover the pot with the lid slightly ajar and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it's boiling, turn the heat to low and cook covered for 12 to 13 minutes. When it's done cooking, open the lid and take a quick peek to check if the water is completely absorbed. If there's water left, close the lid and cook for a little longer. If there's no water left, turn off the heat and remove the pot from the stove, but keep the cover on. Let the rice steam in the pot for 10 minutes. Don't open the lid because this steaming period is crucial for the rice to cook properly. After 10 minutes, open the lid and fluff the rice with a rice paddle. It's now ready to serve. Enjoy! いただきます。I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!